All right, good morning, guys. I've been on the charts like 5 minutes. I've just been staring at the charts and I don't know what I'm doing, but I wasn't talking, just looking at it, drifting on the charts. That can be a thing. But anyway, good morning. Hope you're all doing well. Energy is high, energy is fresh, and we have a new day, new opportunity. So let's get into it and see what we can get today. Not just trading, but in general, see what today has to offer. Okay, let's start on the weekly and see how far, what's going on so far. Okay, so I just drank too much water. We can see that we have those equals up here. We took that liquidity, reacted from a supply zone, but I feel like this is kind of an inducement. How we ended this week with that push down. I hope to see that being taken out, and then we get that turnaround. Yesterday was a bit biased because I actually would love to see EU lower, weaker dollar, or stronger dollar is better for business. But yeah, hey, it is what it is. So I actually think that we might get to the upside, take out those equals, previous weekly high, previous weekly highs, and go from there. No. So sorry. Look at the daily. Had that strong candle here, followed up by a quite strong candle as well. But you have to see, like, look at this. It's like this was that Thursday candle, and we're still inside that Thursday candle. So we're building up liquidity, and we can see that we are building up liquidity to the upside from the trend line, a little bit to the downside as well. If we go to the 1 hour, probably it's a bit messy, but there you go. Building up to both sides, and yeah. So I think we will take out these highs. Let's go back to the daily. Take out these highs and then get a potential move either lower to get to these lows, or it might be completely wrong and we just at the end of the year coming into new year, we continue up to the areas up here or even up here. Until that happens, um, I just follow that the idea of we getting up here, price gets up here, and then we continue further to the downside. Why do I feel like we can get that move to downstairs? Because we have DXY, and DXY still has that area here to the upside. Now, if we go lower on EU, and let's zoom in. By the way, let me know in the comments if you guys like this screen or if I should do a normal PC screen, because PC screen might be better, way better for the people that watch. But since this is trading content, I hope, or yeah, I hope actually that you guys have a ultra wide monitor as well. And because of that, you can watch this on an ultra wide monitor, and then I can use the big screen because I hate analyzing on the small screen. But hey, it is what it is. Actually, more water. All right, so 4 hour wise, Tuesday, you can see those wicks to the upside. See those wicks to the upside. We have a kind of a order block right there. But what did that order block cost? Well, therefore, we need to go to the lower time frame, really. And we can see that. Sorry. It caused this kind of bearish break here. It's not major, it's very minor, especially if we look at the high time frame. But it caused this break here. So that could be thing, but really, really not really it. Just be patient, wait for that liquidity to be taken, and then get the shorts. And with that, we can actually zoom in, go to the 15 and continue our analysis because we have Asia highs up here. And you can see that those ranges are pretty stretching out right now. It's not very clean to work with, or at least for me, it's harder to understand, harder to work with. Asia lows, or it might be that one. Actually, it's that one, but I don't care. It's not really necessary. Both have taken out. That one is clear to mark on, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, okay. So we got Asia lows. Clearly see that liquidity building up here. So the question now is, there are a couple scenarios that can play out, right? So we can now move further down. Let's go to the 15 and make it small so we can see what's going on here in the low time. So there are a couple scenarios that can play out. So we got those equals and we know that we want to take them. So and we got liquidity here. We have an overall bullish range, right? So two things can happen right now, really, on this high time frame range. How hard is it to make a diagonal line? There you go. There are two things, actually three things, three scenarios that I see play out right now. Is we get up here, although we already got up here, so let's skip that scenario. So first scenario is that we now build up more liquidity over here, so that we go down from here where we are right now, and then go up, take that liquidity, or we get up, take that liquidity first, then take that liquidity, which would mean a bearish break, but that's okay. Get below here, this might be a fake break because we need to take that liquidity and then either continue further up or it actually might be a real bearish break over here. And then this is our bearish structure now. Oh, sorry. We got that one up there, down there as well. So that's internal, but that could happen. Ooh, that's clean actually. And then move further up, take it into liquidity. Got the area there, then get the move. Now it's getting messy. So yeah, but for today, really, let's check if there's any news. CPI Wednesday, GBP and consumer confidence. Okay, let's see if we get some moves. Oops. Yeah, for today, I'm looking for shorts from up here. We got that liquidity there, so actually, I really like the idea of longing as well. It's just there's a lot of liquidity below it, but if the idea of first taking the highs, then taking the lows will play out, then we might get a potential long from this area. So this liquidity makes this area a low probability area. This liquidity and the idea of moving from one liquidity pool to another liquidity pool actually makes this a high probability area for me. Got a little liquidity above it as well. So actually, just look at it. Makes sense, right? Just a lot of orders below that, but Yeah, it makes sense to me. So this that could be one thing. Mm, yeah, so we can see that this was last week. London so far hasn't brought any power. So for me today, shorts from here and longs from here. Anything outside is too far. Probably won't happen in London. So that's it for me. And let's see. Now, if we go to GU, oh, don't have much time left. Sorry. You can see pretty much the same story. Got the liquidity building up. And we already reached back into discounted pricing. The most recent one. And it's the same really. I would love to see the short from here. We have that liquidity above. So I think a long will play out. Where can we long from? This is a guess. I won't take a trade from this area. I'm just gonna mark this out. I have no idea. This is how you learn and get more information about the market. And this that's quite a refined area, but so if you go to the 5 minute, you can see that. There you go. First we came below, then we moved up. Is there like a 1 hour candle maybe? Yeah, you could take that from there. So for GU, shorts from here, longs from here. Let's do the same as EU. And of course, yeah, of course up there. So shorts, shorts, longs, and longs. That's it for EU or for GU. I'm not gonna break that entire thingy down. Although we know that still can reach lower, get into discounted pricing, and then move higher. But until that happens, uh, sorry. I mean, in the meantime, we already can catch some trades. So yeah, DXY still ugly. Um, got that pool up there. That's looking very delicious. That could be taken out. If that's gonna be taken out, then we might not get that short on EU because we just straight down here, get into that liquidity, as I said, and then GU as well. Probably get below here as well. So that could be very possible looking at DXY. And then we won't get the trades, but we are in a higher probability area to move along. So yeah, that's it for today. Um, yeah, covered ranges, covered liquidity. Yeah, we focused on the daily candles, not really the lower time frame candles. Look at the 15, for instance, it's just not telling me much right now. And for EU, pretty much the same. We talk about the price behavior there, liquidity, trades both ways. Yeah, I'm not gonna cover any trades. No, this doesn't look like an area I would trade from. This does look like an area, but it's outside my trading time. Um, yeah. Ooh, that's nice though. Got below there, then gave a move, but just not how I trade it. So yeah, let's see how this goes and let's go from there. Catch you guys in the market. Good luck today. Hope you have a great day. Peace out.